Struggling to juggle client onboarding, email campaigns, and CRM management? I was too. Until I started using GoHighLevel's AI-powered automation. Here's how it works. AI Campaign Builder. Turn a one-sentence goal into full email, SMS workflows. E.g., nurture cold leads for my SaaS client. AI writes the sequence. Smart Inbox. Let AI prioritize and auto-reply to client inquiries. Predictive Analytics *. Spot churn risks or upsell opportunities before they happen. My use case. Last month, I used GoHighLevel's AI to automate follow-ups for a client's £20,000 launch, generate 30+ social posts in 10 minutes, cut onboarding time for new clients by 50%. Want these results? Try GoHighLevel free for 14 days. No credit card needed. https://tinyurl.com/4hstbvdf.
AI-powered assistants and advanced smart security systems are transforming homes, making them more efficient, secure, and user-friendly.